As a professional Christmas light installer, you know the importance of speed, efficiency, and reliability. Our C9 1000 foot Christmas Light Pro package is built with you in mind. This comprehensive package includes 1,000 feet of commercial grade 12-inch or 15-inch space socket wire, 50 male and female plugs, 250 feet of green lamp cord, and a photo cell timer. This all-in-one solution ensures you deliver a polished, high-quality result every time. The kit offers 2 light bulb choices: commercial elite SMD light bulbs backed by a 5-year warranty, or you can opt for the Minleon brand C9 LED bulbs. It includes 1,000 bulbs for the 12-inch spacing or 800 bulbs for the 15-inch spacing. You'll also receive 1,000 or 800 durable and versatile best clips, depending on the spacing you choose. Now let's take a closer look at the materials included and how each component helps you create a flawless installation. This 1,000 foot spool of green STP1 socket wire comes with 2 spacing options: 12-inch or 15-inch spacing between sockets. Cut the wire to your desired length, whether you need a short run or to wrap an entire roofline. All you need are the male and female plugs that come in the kit to finish the job. For color options, you can choose from warm white, the most popular choice, sun warm white, or combinations like red and warm white, or warm white, red, and green. You can also do the multicolor option. These combinations give you the creative flexibility to achieve the perfect look for any project. Next, we have the C9 Best Clips. These clips are made from the highest quality plastic on the market, designed to last year after year. As you can see, the clip snaps securely in place, ensuring a clean and professional look no matter the surface. Whether it's a roofline, gutter, or shingle, these clips are built to withstand the elements, making your installations easier and longer lasting. The 250 feet of green zip cord included in the kit is essentially blank wire, giving you the ability to create custom extension cords or make jumps during your installation. Once the plugs are attached, you'll have a fully customized strand ready for installation. Always make sure to line up the ridges on the wire with the lettering on the plug for a secure, reliable connection. Finally, we've included a photo cell timer. This smart timer automatically turns your lights on when it gets dark and off when it's light outside. Set it once and it takes care of the rest, giving you one less thing to worry about. Stop wasting time with piecemeal supplies. Our C9 1000 foot Christmas Light Pro package delivers everything you need for high-end professional installations at scale. Get your projects done faster and better. Order yours today.